Hello everyone, my name is Caleb and welcome to another toy review. Today we are going to be reviewing the fabulous slime. Yes, oh no. Okay, so today I am way more enthusiastic than I usually would be, but that's because I've had a lot of iced tea. Like, a lot of iced tea. But also, today I am wearing, see my background? There's someone who has yellow and eyes. I'm also wearing pajamas today, and they have yellow people with eyes. Look at my pajamas. They're minions. Woo! Minion pajamas. Yay, minion. Oh no. Alright, do not stand on a chair. Since I have the slime already made, and I didn't do a recording of the DIY video after I had the slime already made and I didn't do a DIY video to record the slime, I just decided to make one of those really weird slime videos where they just mold it and poke it for some reason. I don't know why people do that. It's just a thing on YouTube and people like to do it. So, sit back and get ready for the coolest slime ever video on the internet. Let me, one sec. I'm just gonna up the lighting because we're getting lit. I'm not sorry. I'm also gonna be rating the slime on, like I did with the putty, it's gonna be elasticity, bounciness, and instead of overall uses, today we're just gonna be doing how satisfying it is to just play with. Whoa, my God! Hello there, from behind the backdrop. I fell. And now there is crumbs in my slime. And hair. What have I done to deserve this? My slime should not be crummy. Guess we're gonna have a crummy time. Sorry. Alright, let's just get into this stuff. Alright, so we're on the table again, just like we were for the putty. For elasticity, this is, oh, it broke already. So this is very tough when you stretch it. So it's not as stretchy as the putty, but it's very tough and hard to break. So, yeah, that's pretty good. And bounce factor, I have a way to measure bounce. So, I'm just gonna bounce it on the table. Alright? This isn't very bouncy, but it does have some bounce to it. Alright, I wouldn't say that it's very bouncy. Yeah. Alright, so next test. How satisfying it is to play with. Here, let's roll it back up into a ball. Oh, weird thing. When I open up this desk, it smells like Cheerios. Why? I don't know. But shh. Ooh, what's inside this desk? We got a paintbrush, a screwdriver, and some screws. Alright, well, we're just gonna close that and play with our slime even more. Slime. Ow. Alright, so if we're gonna play with slime, we need an excellent filter. Alright, here we go. Hello. Alright. So, we can just spread out this just nicely. Okay. Maybe even get a bottle, which we'd have to take the label off first and then roll it on there. But for right now, we're just gonna roll it into a snake. Maybe just press it down with the bottle so you can get some very cool looking designs on it. Ooh, let's put that back on the floor. Do you see this? Oh, look at that. So glowy. All right, now let's do the thing that everyone likes to do. Just poke holes in it. Oh, can't see the holes? All right, let's turn up. All right, look. We got even closer, close-up cam. Just flatten it down. All right, look. Boop. 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 Thumb holes. Let's go. Boop, 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 boop. Black. Oh. Look, you can see the, once it focuses in on the slime. No, just not gonna focus. Alright, we don't have filters on. We can turn them back on. Let's just, don't like that? Alright, here's a good one. Boop. What about here? We got ghost slime. Ooh. Ghost slime. Look at it move. Alright, I'm kidding. Back to normal. Okay. So now we got our close-up cam. Look. We're back to normal with our close-up cam. Oh, look how stretchy this slime is. Can't see it? Let's just get a barrage of filter. Alright, let's go back. No, you don't like... But look how glowy this thing is. This is great for the pulley shots. Just pulling slime out of nowhere. Ooh. Try and rip some. Ooh. Don't these tiny little slime balls look cool? Alright, well, we're back for the pulley shot. Let's go from pulley shots to squeezy and rolly shots. And oh, look at this. Let's get a oh no, my finger appears to be bent. It doesn't look bad from there, but I just thought it looked weird. Alright. Is this not satisfying? So, after we had a great time, are you guys ready to just sit back and go watch some of my other videos? Because this video is done. Bye-bye, everybody. Have fun with your slime. Look at Patrick right there. See, that's what I want to do after this. Just, wow, Patrick. I want to be him. Like, just sitting down. And then SpongeBob just up here. Squidward's right there. I just want to be Patrick laying down. And you can see a little bit of Gary too right there. There's some jellyfish. Alright, well, seriously, goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.